Hi, Ryan O'Donnell here, co-founder of the O'Donnell Group. And I want to welcome you to a new feature that we're going to be doing weekly called Straight from the Hip in 60 Seconds, where we will answer questions that you send to us or comment on stories in the news that we find either interesting or misleading, as a way just for us to communicate with you on topics that we think are important every single week. So to kick it off this week, let's talk about the recent volatility. Wednesday and Thursday, we saw a market decline of almost 5% in a 2-day period. And the pundits now are talking about this is the recession that we've all been calling for, and it's time to get out of stocks. The reality is, these people have no idea what's coming. These are the same pundits that have been talking about a recession coming for the last 6 years. Every single year since 2012, I can remember these same pundits talking about a stock market crash. Now, are they right? I don't know this time. I never know because I don't know what's in store for the markets. But I do know the one rule to being a successful investor is it's time in the market, not timing the market, that allows you to have good results long term. So if the markets do continue to decline over the next couple of days or the next year, it does give us the ability to do two things. It gives us the ability to rebalance, which essentially we're selling things that have done well and buying things that have done poorly. Essentially buying things at a cheaper price for you, which works out better in the long run. And two, when possible, it allows us to do what's called tax loss harvesting, which essentially we lock in losses to offset future gains. You can read more about that strategy in a Wall Street Journal article that we wrote a couple of years back on our website. Feel free to take a look at that. And I think I'm out of time. So thank you for joining us. And in the future, send us your questions, your emails, your comments. We want to hear from you. We want to have these conversations with you. Have a great weekend.